Welcome to our review of the best robot vacuums. Robot vacuums are a smart and efficient cleaning solution that can help keep your home or office clean without the need for manual labor. Let's explore some reasons why you should consider getting a robot vacuum. Convenience. Convenience. A robot vacuum offers the convenience of automated cleaning. You can set it up to clean your floors while you're away or busy with other tasks, reaching hard to reach areas effortlessly. Time saving. Robot vacuums can save you a lot of time compared to traditional vacuuming. They can clean a room in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Efficient cleaning. With advanced technology and sensors, robot vacuums clean your floors thoroughly and efficiently. They adjust their cleaning power based on the level of dirt, ensuring a spotless finish. Low maintenance. Robot vacuums require minimal maintenance, with easily cleanable filters and brushes. Some models can even empty their own dustbin, reducing the need for frequent intervention. Smart features. Many robot vacuums come with smart features like voice control, mapping technology, and scheduling. You can control your robot vacuum with voice commands, set up cleaning schedules, or monitor its progress through an app. Now, let's dive into some top robot vacuum options. Shark IQ Arvone 1000So Robot Vacuum. This powerful vacuum uses advanced navigation technology to clean with ease. It features a self-cleaning brush roll and high-efficiency filter for a thorough clean. Roidme's Jonerm 50W Robot Vacuum. With a powerful motor and mobile app control, this vacuum can handle pet hair, dust, and debris on various floor types. Roentari's 7000 335 Ru Robot Vacuum. This efficient vacuum with advanced navigation technology is perfect for cleaning carpets and hard floors. Secotec Conga 2090 Vision 2700 Robot Vacuum. Offering advanced navigation and a powerful motor, this vacuum can effectively clean your floors. Secotec Conga 1990 Connected X Robot Vacuum. This vacuum comes with voice control capabilities, making it easy to start and stop cleaning with simple voice commands. In conclusion, a robot vacuum is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a more efficient and convenient way to keep their floors clean. Experience the ease and effectiveness of robot vacuum cleaning and enjoy a spotless home without the effort. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit that subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button if you found it helpful. Your support really means a lot to me, and it helps me create more valuable content like this in the future.